Hey everybody, and welcome to my channel. It's Jay Jackson here with a new video. So in today's video, I thought I would share with you guys the process of decluttering and organizing my bathroom. So let's get started with the video. As you can see here, I first began by clearing out all the unnecessary things in my cabinet. Next, I began cleaning out the bottom of the cabinet. Then I began lining out the bottom of the cabinet. As you can see here, it was a mess. We are renters, so I am limited to what I can do with these cabinets, but I thought it would have a fresher look by lining the bottom of the cabinet. Contact paper is one of the easiest ways and fastest ways to update a look. I continued measuring and cutting out the pieces of the contact paper to attach it to the bottom of the cabinet. Now next was organizing. I ended up purchasing both of these items from the store at home. The first item, the white rack, comes in a 2-pack for $9.99, and the gray container there was $7.99. So now I just continue to play around with the supplies and the organizing gadgets that I purchased from at home to see which way I like things best. The small plunger that you guys see here, I only use this for the sink. We have different plungers for different uses. This particular plunger is only used for our sink. In addition, you all can see some of the Grove and Method supplies that I purchased from my previous video. Voila, and here we are, people. So now everything just looks so clean and crisp and just wonderful. Don't you love it? I know I do, and I am hoping that my family will enjoy it too. This is a hot mess. It's a hot mess, people. Slowly, I began the process of decluttering all over again. Next, I began wiping down the shelves. Once again, I began applying the self-adhesive Dollar Tree liner. Peeling back the shelf adhesive liner from the paper can be a frustrating process. Then I began trimming off the excess. This was all that was left of the shelf liner adhesive paper. I used one roll to complete both jobs. Now it's time to organize everything. As you can see here, I was just moving things around. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.